Hey there! Today we're going to look at how you can enable the black screen feature in Teamviewer. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Teamviewer application on your computer. Over here, you can either double-click the icon on your desktop or search for it from your apps and launch it. Then, once Teamviewer is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Gear icon. After that, from the Settings menu, select Advanced Settings to open the Settings window. Now, inside the Options window, look at the left side and click on the Advanced tab. Over here, scroll down a bit until you find the section called Advanced Settings for Connections to this computer. Then, in this section, look for the option that says Disable Local Input for Incoming Connections. After that, go ahead and check that box so the keyboard and mouse won't work during a remote session. Now, just below that, you'll see another option called Enable Black Screen for Incoming Connections. Over here, make sure to check this box as well to activate the black screen feature. Then, once you've enabled both options, scroll down and click on OK or Apply to save your changes. After that, whenever someone connects to your computer remotely, your screen will automatically turn black. Over here, this helps keep your activity private, so no one around your computer can see what's happening. Now, this will instantly turn your screen black and also block any local interaction. Over here, this is really useful if you're working with sensitive data or just want extra privacy. Then, you can turn it off anytime by going back to the same option in the toolbar. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.